All right, let's hop right into it. Today I'm going to go over on how to customize your own module. So just so you're aware, I'm not even showing my screen. Let me share my face. Way too big. Way too big. There we go. All right, I'm just going to put it in the bottom of the screen. I'm not that pretty. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and share what customizing a module is, just so you know what a module is if you're not fully aware. So a module, you can see a bunch up here. So basically, it's a record of data, and you can customize how that data looks. So it's super nifty, super cool. You can also customize like different views. So this is a canvas view. Okay, you could also share like a list view, where it's a little bit more compact and categorized like that. And you also share a kanban view, however you want to say it. And then structure how that one looks. Deals will probably be a little bit better module to look at what a kanban view looks like. Okay. So customizing a module that's already created, a little bit on the easy side because it's basically done for you. So you just come set up, customization, modules and fields. Okay. Say you want to customize your, let's just stick with leads. All you have to do is, there we go. All you have to do is come over here and you can remove, add, remove fields, whatever it is. Super easy. But that's not what we're going to get into today. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own module. And so we're going to come back into setup, just kind of start from the get-go, modules and fields. Okay, you're going to come and click new module. And then you're off and away. So this could be very business specific, sorry. So let's say you're a property manager and you want to manage your tenants. Okay, so tenants, probably a little bit different than accounts. They probably have different, things you want to have in there, different information. So like just starting here, you could say I want to manage my tenants, so the plural form. Singular form tenant, okay, and then you can begin customizing just like you would a normal module. Save it, and then it'll show up where all of your other modules are. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a couple fields just so you know what that looks like here. So let's create, we want an address, but we don't want all of the information, so we're just going to have, street, city, state, and let's just do billing code. Okay, or let's go zip code. You could create a section in your module. So tenant address, okay. And you could also move all those fields to your custom module. Probably a couple more information you'd want to have there. Let's make that look a little bit nicer. Is you'd want their move-in date. Okay. Let me go ahead and remove that. We don't need to opt in. And then so that's all formatted. So you got move-in date, tenant address. You can also go ahead and save this. Okay. See, you want to look at it, your different security profiles. For me right now, it's just administrator. Okay. You can come back to your layout list. And then, boom, you got your tenants. Okay. Let's just create a tenant so we can see what that looks like. Okay, so that's exactly the layout that we just created. So fake tenant, fake at gmail.com. You select their move-in date, their address, Texas. Okay. We're going to go ahead and save that. Okay, so now you got your tenant right in here. Now that you have your tenant created, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do your canvas view. So we're going to create a canvas view. I'm just going to do one from scratch, but you can, of course, create a blank one. So let's say we want to do this. Tenant image. Okay, and you could have that be like the property. I mean, you could have like the picture of the tenant if you really wanted to. And then you just select the fields that you want in here. So probably name, right? You could add and remove. You could add in, sorry, you could also delete fields. I don't know if you could do it in a, yeah, so all you do is skip. Okay, but if you want to go back, you definitely can. So let's say move-in date. There we go. We don't need anything there. And let's just say that's good for now. Okay, so I'm going to click next. Yes, proceed, blah, blah, blah. So we got a fake tenant, picture, yada, yada, yada. You could customize all of the formatting you want. This is our tenant canvas. You could do a lot of really cool tricks in here. So now you have your tenant canvas, okay? Let's say you want to organize your tenants by the status they're in. So if maybe they're a candidate, if they're an actual tenant, if they're a previous tenant, if you just want to see that in a quick view, I'm going to show you how to do that as well. Okay, so we're going to come here to tenants. You're just going to create a lookup. Oh, sorry, not a lookup. Where am I looking? Not a lookup. A pick list. Okay. And you'll do their status. And then you will specify what the status is. So, current tenant, previous tenant, and we want candidates. Okay. Whenever you create one, let's just say it automatically goes to the candidate category, and then you can kind of move them however you would like. Let's track the history. Okay, done and save. Awesome. All right, now let's go back over to our module. Let's check it out. Okay, so we go to tenants. Now we want to see them in order. So this is going to be our tenant Kanban view, categorized by status. Then you can select all the different colors you would like. It's very cool. All right, so once that saves, look at this. Okay, so because I didn't select, I created this tenant before I created the statuses. That's why I didn't have one. So I'm going to go back into that tenant. Okay, and then I'm not going to edit the whole one. I'm just going to pick a status. Let's just say, and this is a candidate. Okay. All right, let's go back to tenants. Okay, as you can see, I got my Kanban view. I can view my different tenants in the category that they're in. There is a limit. I think it's like 15 or something like that. But yeah, that is Canvas view. That's Kanban view, and that's how to create your own custom module. Please follow, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much.